ngasisu Manipur Top Channel gi maikeri special video ngata ngasi phongba si phong singni gi maru oiba khara lokhacharaga ma'am de share tawjage ma'am lai phukta minasi yamna angakpa paw madi oiraga ni ma'am kumja English singani ga taraga tarukta retake tawkhraba home gi joint secretary Rihauddin Chowdhury haujuk phawba thabak puhalam lei Manipur lenga ki aphaba miyok misan Laibak sigi mafam punamakta satnabago Manipur su lenga ki thaumi employee punamaki mathakta satna haliba Government of India gi Central Civil Services Rule 1965 ki mari lenaba provision miyam leirabasu punamaksibu miyok mission phabi Manipur lenga na namthek laga ngasi dagi na sahi mari henbagi mamangda thabak tagi pothakraba Joint Secretary Home MD Rihauddin Chowdhury haujuk phawbada maki pham asi puhanduna leiramle Pikraba state si khaktagi natana malemgi ngak thawdok singi manungda tomthil nga na sana bayaraba thawdok si border state ama oibigi mathakta outlawed underground organization singna operate tawrakpadagi kumja English mo chamawan marphudagi disturbed area lakthokuna Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 sana halagriba Manipur lenga ki maroiba loisang singi manungda yanglen saru oiriba Home Department maktada thokpani Mamangi Chief Minister Okram Ibobina Tara Suba Manipur State Assembly matam loigadaba sahi amarum walingaida thabaktagi potha pham thokladuna potharabasu laingak tudagi hauna Joint Secretary Home gi pham asi adumak puhanduna lakpadagi transparency amasum anti corruption na yomlaga poglakhiba BJP na lusinglakliba sungshinaba laingak asigi tam khutna lamba phanglakadoraba tanjasida fawba adumak Joint Secretary Home gi pham Tinto Halaktuna, Pibe, Ngambaki Damak Impal, All Secretariat, Manungdadi, Miyo Sibu, Punamak, Sana Haina, Mingo Naramle, Sahiyam, Nakuira Basu, Masak Masu, Hong Dana, Sana Haina, Mingo Naramlaba, Miyo Sigi, Kungul, Oxyation, Lirubuda, Miyo Si, Atakanamata, Oram Drabasu, Impaliski, Minutong Haptadagi, AMD, Rihauddin Chowdhury Oramle. Mak Manipur Civil Service MCS officer ni Manipur lenga ki makhada matam sangna service taroklaba matung mahak na makhata na lengak sigi thabak tawthanabagi numit masing loithokkhibadagi superannuation February 18 English ngani ga taraga taruk thabak tagi pothakhibani mak numit sida Manipur lenga ki Joint Secretary Home amasum ex Officio Protection Officer oina thabak tagi pothakhibani makpu February 18 English ngani ga tara taruki numiyungba matungdagi mangonda pohalakhiba phamsing asidagi potharagani haibigi order na matamdagi Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms Personnel Division gi Deputy Secretary Laltanpui Banchong na February 13 English ngani ga tara tarukta khuyek piduna thokpani order adugi number na 411 2001 MCS DP ni Deputy Secretary DP ki order aduna MD Rihauddin Chowdhury bu mahakna purakliba amsing asidagi superannuation gi sahi suraduna February 18 English ngani ga tara taroki numiyungba matungdagi retire tawragani retirement asiga loinana MCS officer oiriba mahaki service numitsidagi terminate tawragani haina su phungdokhi order asigi copy sing matamdugi Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Additional Chief Secretary Home Commissioner DP Accountant General Manipur MD Rihauddin Chowdhury Masa Deputy Secretary General Administration Department Treasury Officer Sub Treasury Officer concerned pikhi aduga DP gi guard file order book to copy ama thakhi adubu government haibisidi continuing process ni haiduna Manipur Legislative Assembly the Fau Yawn Tatana, Hainabadigi, Oiramgadaba, Maramda, Mamangi, Langak Tona, Miyok Misan Paba, Handaki, Langaxisu, Mhut Sinbinaba, Hena Matik Sabasing, Koktongama, Lairabasu, Tabaktagi, Potak Rabasing Bu, Stopgap Arrangement, Part-Time Service Extension Natraga, Rearrange Haibna Singba, Haina Singna Potolaga, Tuanba Maming Sing Season Narakpagi, Hainabidagi, MD Rihauddin Chowdhury bu haukiba kumja English ngani ga tara taruktagi hauraduna hauzik kumja English ngani ga kullu shilamdai phawbada ma ki tolop remuneration haiduna onthoklaga Joint Secretary Home gi thabak aduma puhalamle mangonda mamingtada remuneration haiduna piraga asuk thaudang chawkhrabi state gi Home Department gi post asi sahi khuding gi oina sangdoktuna puhalakpani laingak na ma ki damak thaujan biduna phamsi sungpo potha handana puhalagriba mahakna phamasina pangthok phamthokpa Home Department ki thabak thoram punama amata sithadana pangthorakli Saliba kumza English singaniga kungi oina August taraga humda English singaniga kunda state function oina pangthokiba Patriots Day gi thoramda police personnel taraga humda depi ki Minister Police Medal for gallantry amasung police personnel tereta pi ki Minister Police Medal for outstanding devotion to duty phangadabagi notification number 27/6/2020 home CM medal su mahakna August taraga nitu English aniga kun joint secretary home haiduna khuyek piduna thoki loinena state ke anobu chief secretary home Dr. Rajesh Kumar no October taraga humda English aniga kunda home department gi mekedi office order ama thoki order aduna mamangna thoki ba order punama supersede taraga department asigi officer singna pugadaba work sing allocation tauki adubu hanglubada remuneration kharakhak piraga protocol officer oinada sijinabani hairakhiba MD Rihaudin Chaudhary bu department asigi officer singi khwaidagi mapok serial number A da joint secretary home haiduna palakhibaga loinana magna pugadaba thabak sing pikhi chief secretary gi order sigi matung ina mangonda allocation piriba thabak singna BBIP Bijit Singh protocol ga mari lenaba thabak punama army paramilitary forces amasum atai force singa mari lenaba thabak thoram punama amadi masigi mathakta telephone telecom service amasum internet matter sing INT intelligence yauna DSI DSR CBI NIA ga mari lenaba thabak sing airlift requisition amasum airlift charging recovery gi thabak sing suspension of operations su amasum memorandum of understanding MOU gi thabak sing surrender tararabe singi rehabilitation CHQ special operation group SOG gi thabak sing armed forces special power act mari lenaba thabak punamak amasung inner line permit ILP gi mari lenaba thabak thoram singni magna thabak singa si pubuda mapu department asigi mari lenaba SE singna assist tawgani haina su order asida pali High Court of Manipur Supreme Court ki direction digi Manipur gi former sitting MP MLA singi mathakta lokhatpa criminal case singi matangda PIL oina register tawduna lokhatpa case PIL number 38 of 2020 ga mari lainana Home Department da High Court gi tha sigi tara English ngani ga kunda hojingna minister oiraba oinam lukhoi senaba case amagi matangda su remuneration da oiribani hairiba joint secretary home asina tha sigi taraga mangada high court ki government advocate RK Umakanta mahakna khuyek piduna report ama tharamkhi panba yabade hauji kumja English ngani ga kun loisilakpaga iroinana maki hengkhang naina kumja English ngani ga tara tarukti sahi sagi sangdo handuna potha halaktriba phamasi amukasu sangdo hanana ba layangna process haure hairi hainasu pawsina makhatana su phongdorakli loisilakpoina mayamda hena taningadaba content masang athama palam ge mayamda share tawjaramge Delhi president marks uptabigi nupi amaga selfie lorambigi dollar $3,000 fine oina thigadawri COVID-19 virus pandemic manungda tangai fadana sizinafam thopa marks uptabagi nupi amaga selfie launaba leminakiba matung irai namitta Delhi president Sebastian Penera $3,000 gi senpam fine oina thinaba khangan kre haina health authority singna phongdokre Sili da miyam tinba mafam singda marks uptaba yadabagi akanba rule sing sanai rule sing adubu thugaiba sing fine thianba amasum jail thamba phawa yauna serak phangba yai December gi angan basarukta selfie adu social media ra saithorakiba matung matam sangna khanna handana Penerana swakibasing adu lale haina masana yazaki selfie adu the president Penera ga nupi amaga yamna nakshinana leminaba ui makhoi anima marks amata upte president Penera haukiba sahida sel thongi oiba thong manadaba kyaga mari lenena ahingi matamda protest tawninge manungda pizza party amaga photo kaminabagi thaudok lekhrabani COVID-19 virus pandemic na maram oiduna protesters sing mayum da sannahangraba matungda mahak Santiago gi maru oiba demonstration mafam oiduna laklaba squad thaudo odu thokibani May amasum June da Delhi da COVID-19 virus infection wangkhatki madugi matung November da licensed name tharakhi laiba asigi COVID-19 virus infection am wangkhalakpadagi authority singna athingba kya thamlakhi haukiba March da licensed haukibagi Delhi COVID-19 virus infection gi case Lak mangaga lising marfu matoi ga sama ga kontraga manga thena ke masum laina asina miyoi lising tara taruka supnagi yang khai ga matoi sian ki hai rena su pauksi yesin makatana phongdorak den thank you